Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a tuna sandwich like Subway. Achieving that signature taste starts with selecting the right ingredients. We will focus on quality tuna, crisp vegetables, and a creamy dressing to build a delicious foundation. The bread choice is also crucial, providing the perfect soft texture to complement the rich tuna salad. Get ready to create a truly satisfying sandwich experience right in your own kitchen. Now let's craft the heart of our sandwich, the tuna salad. After draining your tuna well, flake it gently into a bowl. Next, incorporate the finely diced celery and red onion, which add a wonderful texture and a subtle bite. Then, gradually mix in about 1/2 cup of creamy mayonnaise. You want a consistency that is moist but not watery. Season with a pinch of salt and a dash of black pepper to taste, ensuring a balanced flavor. With your delicious tuna salad ready, it's time for assembly. Take your fresh bread and slice it lengthwise but not completely through to form a pocket. Then, generously spoon the tuna salad into the bread, spreading it evenly from end to end. Now, pile on your favorite fresh toppings. Crisp shredded lettuce, ripe tomato slices, and perhaps some crunchy pickles or cucumbers will elevate the experience. This combination creates a vibrant and satisfying bite. To truly perfect your Subway-style tuna sandwich, consider a few final touches. Chilling the tuna salad for at least 30 minutes allows the flavors to meld beautifully. For an extra layer of texture, lightly toast your bread before adding the filling. Don't be afraid to experiment with different bread varieties to find your ultimate favorite. Remember, you can always adjust the mayonnaise and seasonings to match your personal preference, making each sandwich uniquely yours. Enjoy your homemade creation.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.